Hi, my name is Salsita, and I am here to teach you how to say hello in Spanish.
Yay!
You know this one, hola. Hola is hi, hello, hola. Now, in the mornings when you wake up, you say, buenos días, buenos días. So you wake up, and you say, buenos días, buenos días. Good morning, buenos días. Now for the afternoon, we say, buenas tardes, buenas tardes, buenas tardes. Good afternoon, buenas tardes, good afternoon, buenas tardes. And then for night, when it's night, we say buenas noches. But you can use buenas noches to say hello at night. Buenas noches, like, oh, hello, I'm entering a room. Buenas noches, everyone, hello. You would say good evening in English. So you say buenas noches, buenas noches, buenas noches. And that's also used for good night. So you say buenas noches, good night. Buenas noches, good night. I hope this helped. Bye.